So next is a tuning fork. Tuning fork is a U-shaped single metal piece with the handle called stamp and two arms in the U-shaped section are called prongs. The tuning fork is used to produce a sound of a certain fixed frequency. That how much amount we want to produce by the tuning fork, we can first fix it and then we can produce the sound. See here in the diagram, as the tuning fork prongs will vibrate, and when we put that tuning fork, vibrating tuning fork in a water, then the water will splash out, because that vibrations will go to the water droplets and water droplets will come out. This is the structure of the tuning fork. This is known as stamp of tuning fork and they are known as prongs of tuning fork. Prongs, stamp, and this is tuning fork. Tuning fork, it is an instrument. These prongs will vibrate and produce the sound. Next, fourth activity is based on the tuning fork. Take a tuning fork and bang one of its prong against a hard rubber block. What we will do, we will take a tuning fork and strike a tuning fork hardly against the hard surface. The tuning fork will vibrate and we will hear the sound. Yes, tuning fork will produce a sound. Touch the vibrating prong with the surface of water taken in a china dish. What do you see? We will see that the waves are produced on the surface of water, because waves will be produced on surface of water because the vibrations of the tuning fork by the prongs are transferred to the water, and that water will vibrate and may also splash out and come out also. Clear? So all these activity described above, notice that the sound is produced by vibrations only. So when we want to produce a sound, we will need vibrations. In some cases the vibration are easily visible, as in the case of this activity, but in some cases the vibration can be feel. That activity is when activity number 2, when we put our hand on the fingertips on our throat. Here we can feel the vibration, here we can see the vibrations. Sometimes we can see, sometimes we can feel, but sound is only produced when the vibrations are there. Clear?